This is an Aeroforce gauge on a 2008 Saab Aero V6, and currently it's in normal scan mode. It has two fields, upper and lower. I'll go through some parameters kind of quick that it supports. It supports both generic and enhanced. So a lot of interesting stuff here. You can see knock retard, oil pressure, oil temp, individual cylinder knocks. I'm going to scroll through it kind of fast. You can kind of see for yourself what's on here. There's the factory wide bands displayed. It's back to where we started. One new feature we have on this gauge that you might not be familiar with on our other gauges is a multi-screen mode. Press and hold the buttons, and you can see there's 4 parameters shown here. There's a scrolling graph. In this case, it got boost on the left and intake air temp on the right. There's a 4-parameter bar graph screen here. You see these lights going on. Those are the warning lights, annunciator lights, and they're programmed by the user. Currently I got it set for RPM for demonstration purposes. So you can use those to monitor any parameter supported, and when it exceeds the safe value, those lights will go on. I'm going to demonstrate the scrolling graph a little better. Okay, I'll let it clear the old data. So we're going to see boost on the left and RPM on the right. If I hit both buttons, I can pause it. This is nice if you want to make a run and check it out later in a safe location where you can park. Hit both buttons again, or hit one button, I guess, to get out of it. Back to this normal scan mode. There's also another mode called cyclic scan. This has also been programmed by the user. It automatically scrolls up to 8 parameters, so you don't have to touch buttons. You enter the parameter you want to see and the time that is displayed. Hit a button to stop it. It'll freeze on whatever screen it's on. Going through the menu real quick. Some of the functions here. That's normal scan mode and cyclic scan, cyclic setup. How you set that up. Records, plays back, gets trouble codes, clears them. You can invert the colors, brightness, change the data rate. It has a performance timer, 0 to 68th and quarter mile times. Here's the annunciator. This is where you set it up. It has a 2 scheme annunciator. You can select up to 2 parameters and use an AND or an OR function. For more information, you can check out our website on that. There's some more functions. It has 2 analog inputs. So if you want to add a sensor like fuel pressure connected to the back of the gauge, you can read the fuel pressure alongside all the OBD2 parameters. Go back to scan mode. A lot of hardware configurations you can choose from. This particular gauge has a black face and our standard black bezel with a silver lip. You can get all black, you can get brushed silver, you can get polished silver. Again, this is a vent. We mount this in the vent pod. It's actually kind of a homemade deal, but looks pretty good in the Saab. Easy to read. That's pretty much the overall of this gauge. Thanks for watching.